just fine.
Where am I? Somebody, let me out! Help! I close my eyes and drift to where you stay. A dream where love is real and time is kind. You take my hand and guide my steps away from all the fears that haunt my waking mind.
Am I allowed to cry? I dream of cracking thoughts, throwing my life to the wolves or the ocean rocks, crashing into it tonight. Peace and paradox. I'm seeing visions. Am I mad or wise? What if he's within mine on my upper thigh, only in my mind? One step in falling back into the hedge maze. Oh, what a way to die. I keep recalling things we never did. Messy talk-lipped kiss. How I long for oranges without ever touching his skin. How can I be guilty as sin?
Who are you? And why did you fight me?
Well, I just thought that, a beautiful girl like you shouldn't be with yourself. I knew one.
You are. I think I know that.
Really? Well, that's great. Let's get to know each other then. Let's see what that bench over there.
Your laughter shines. It warms the dreamless skies. I hear your voice. It comes to storming me. Each moment, each moment, each moment glows when looking in your eyes. A world where only you and I can be. You know, I think I've seen this place before. I just can't remember when.
Agatha? What do you mean? Agatha, do you really think that all of this is real?
How did you know my name was Agatha? And what are you even saying?
Agatha, please, you need to wake up.
What do you mean?
I'm sorry, Agatha, but I need to go.
Hi, are you okay? Wait, who are you? Agatha. Do you really know anything? No, never mind. Please, tell me. Agatha, I should have known next time. What's wrong with me? I'll tell you.
crucified, yet